my YouTube channel. So this is me and my name is Lau and this is my friend and this my friend name I didn't introduce yet. My friend name is Nila. So today we are going to learn how to make friends. First thing when we make friends, we have to smile when we see our friends. And I was thinking, when I see my friend, I only smile with her. Second one. The second one is we have to care about our friends. We don't need to care about one friend, we need to care all our classmates. Next one, kind. We have to be kind to others, but we can't be rude to them. When being rude, they will not be your friend anymore. So you need to be kind to the first time and say, you also need to say sorry and thank you and smile. Next one, kind. Nice. We have to be nice to friends, then they will respect us and we respect them. This is the good thing we have to do at school. Every day we have to tell it, forgive. We have to, when someone did wrong, all our classmates, when they did something wrong, we have to say, it's okay. Then you have to help them. And even this one is the powerful word. Next one, help each other. We have to help when they are hurt, or we have to help them they are hurt or they have a soft teeth. We have to help them, or when we are in school and they did a problem, they fell down in the playground, we have to tell the teacher about it. Next one, play together. We have to play with them when they are born, or when others took, when she was playing, when someone took it, I will share with her. Next one, tell story. When she wants a spooky story or a moral story, I always tell her any story she likes. We share. I share my things when someone took her thing. I always give her my things, then I share my things, then I eat my things. When she's hungry, I can give us one of my food. Next, listen. When my teacher or my classmates are talking, we have to be quiet. Then after they all talk, we can talk. Love. We have to love each other, then you'll be friends forever. And we can write any notes and call each other when we have their number. Forever and forever and for learners. Thank you for watching my video. Give me a big thumbs